everyone, I'm Kirkpatrick Tauto, BSISM intern, and today I will discuss to you the parts and functions of this vehicle. Let's go first from the outer. We have here our side mirror, which is you can see your rear view. The wiper, when it's rain, it will wipe the rain in front of you. The last one, we have here our headlights, where this is our headlights, the signal lights, and the hazards. Let's go here. We have here our where you can put gas on your vehicle. And let's go in the back. So in the back, there are brake lights, and signal lights. So that's all for the outer. So now, let's go to the inner of the parts and functions of the vehicle. So first, we have here the handle gear. In the handle gear, where you can switch into first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear, and reverse. So we have here the handbrake. So we have here both the seat belt here, seat belt. And we have here the steering wheel, the horn, have here horn, and this one, where you can, the speed of the wiper, which is, this one is off, but you can turn it on, and you can adjust the speed of the wiper. And this one is the signal light. When you go up, it goes to signal light left, and down signal light right. And this one is the headlight, which is, this is off. And if you put this into, which it is the park light. And this one is the headlight, low beam, high beam, and passing light. So here is where you can see this one is for the clutch, and this one is for the brake, and this one is for the gas or accelerator. So here you have the rear view mirror, and this one is the fire extinguisher in case of there's something happen, in case. So here, this one is to open the door. This is to open and close the window. This one, close the open window. That's all for the inner and outer parts and functions of the vehicle. By the way, I'm Kirkpatrick Tauto, your BSISM intern. Thank you for watching.